What is up?
What is up?
What's
what
up?
What is down? What is going all around?
All right. What's going on, guys? It is Chase and Russell here with the Journey HQ. And today, I'm gonna do some welding. We're building some brackets. I'm gonna flip you around. I'm gonna show you
You're
what
building some brackets.
I'm building some dang brackets, because now I'm a certified welder.
Certified. Pipeliner.
Yeah. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is use, hey Russell, what is this called?
I call it a Scotch-Brite wheel, I don't know.
I'm gonna call it a flappity 3M disc. All right, here is the finished product. Not really finished, just my janky welds. And then I just did some tacks on the inside. It's not very clean, but it'll work for what we're doing.
Are you done?
No, I mean, you can come look. You wanna come inspect?
I'll come inspect.
Come on.
Look at you!
All right. Got enough in there?
I reckon. I mean, yeah.
They look kind of janky.
So when you weld up them gaps like that,
Yeah.
and it's lower, just focus on that outside a little more and just dab it into that inside. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Let me try, let me show you, see what I can see. I just want to see.
Let me wear this hat.
Oh, you got the 2 turntables and a microphone?
2 turntables and a microphone. Where it's at?
I ain't got no gloves.
You don't need no stinking gloves.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Let me see what a professional weld looks like.
It's not pro, bro.
Look
but-
at those little.
You put the heat on this piece that's deeper, so you're filling that low spot more, and then you're just dabbing onto this side piece.
I can dab on it.
You know what I'm saying? So you're hanging out in that valley more and just touching that piece right there, because it's so hot, it ain't got no choice.
All right. Cool. All right. Think I've got the finished product all welded together. Now all I got to do is take it to the cutting wheel and cut it into 8 pieces. We'll have a bracket. This fits right into. Feels good making stuff. That was the ticket. Cutting it, taking it and cutting it like that. And then flipping it over and cutting it like this. That was the way to work. A lot faster. All right. Got all these brackets cut. Ready to roll.
We're just gonna trim the edges so we can put a screw in them.
Yeah. So we're just gonna cut a little section off. Gonna see, we marked it just a little bit. Whoa, fire. pretty good. Done. All right, it's done. All these brackets are ready to go on the wall. You figuring out the measurements?
I'm trying to, sir. So we want the top of the bed right here at the bottom of the window.
That'd be nice.
Okay.
That way it's not above the window.
I'm gonna go double check this measurement. All right, we need to come out.
Dude, I gotta get a short sleeve shirt.
We're gonna finish this before you go change clothes, drama queen.
Dude, it's too damn hot.
We want one bracket here. We want one bracket here.
In the front.
We want one bracket here. And we want one bracket here.
Okay, do I need to level this too?
I mean, you get it as level as you can, bro, because it's gonna sit where it sits. Let's roll it close and set it up there. All right,
Ready?
you ready to set it up there?
Yeah, I'm ready. You got the heavy side.
Okay, guys, we appreciate y'all watching. We hope you enjoyed us hanging this piece of junk up here on the wall. We love this piece of art.
We do. I like it.
It was our first project here at the Journey HQ, and we had fun making it. We got a whole series on start to finish, kind of how we did it, not a how-to.
Yeah.
Because
we don't know.
we didn't know how to do it either.
So
Yeah.
we appreciate you watching these videos. Go back, watch all the other ones. Watch all the future ones that we have, because we're gonna have a bunch of them.
Are they over there?
This way. I don't know what to do with my hands.
Like, subscribe, follow all our videos on social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We're everywhere you go. Keep up with us. We're always doing something fun.
We're there.
We're there. Are you happy?
I'm ecstatic.
Ecstatic.
Is that a good word?
Then yeah, you hit the mark.
Bam.
Holla.